Hello, Highland Scotsman. It's Miss Hudgens checking in on day 5,635,728. I don't even know anymore of our quarantine or, stay safe at home restriction. I just wanted to say hi to you all and let you know that all is well here, and I'm praying and hoping that all is well with you. I know things are very different from what they've been, but I wanted to share two little pieces of happiness from my life that I deal with on a daily basis. This is Mr. Cosmo. Come here, Cosmo. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's right. Good boy. Okay. He is my unofficial shadow, and he's kicking me in the back of my leg. He's my unofficial shadow every day of my life. I get to hang out with Cosmo and no longer with you. Back here, another little bit of happiness. This is our city, Bakersfield. Weather's not always great, but we do have some great views at times. So, come on, Kazi. I do hope that you all are working on the packets and other assignments that you're given from your teachers. Make sure you check in with your teachers via email or Google Classroom, Google Chat, whatever it is you're using. Check in with your friends. All of us have different circumstances, and you want to make sure everyone's okay. So please, please, please don't lose the human element of being a human. I love you. I pray every day that everyone is doing well. And please remember that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and we will all make it through. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. Bye.